Let's remove this. Let's have highest number of followers. Let's have it max. So that's 223 followers maximum. Changing the title. Most popular top. Okay. So now let's build our first dashboard, which is going to be line chart. In the x-axis, let's have creation date. Let's do it by year only. And in the y-axis, let's have sales count, keeping it average. Okay, and let me remove it first so that I follow the same aesthetics as the cards. Okay, and let's change the title. Average sales by top creation date. And let's remove values. Let's remove title. Remove values. Let's remove title. Changing the lines color to make it white. Okay. So now let's have another chart. Let's keep things very simple and basic. Let's have another chart. Let's have a combo chart, line and clustered column chart. Creation date is already there. Let's have active listings in the y-axis, and let's have sales count in the line y-axis by average. And now let's change the aesthetic appeal. In the y-axis, okay, in the line, let's have it white, and okay, and in the columns, let's have it, okay. So yeah, so let's add a slicer now. Okay, let's have slicer for US versus non-US. Okay, let's change the slicer settings to drop down. Okay, and here's the title, US based ops only. Okay, let's have another title, another slicer. This time let's do it by city. Okay, so let's add shop location and currency. So let's change title. filter by currency city. Uh, that's it, I guess. So I have added the Etsy logo behind it. So let's add hide and seek feature. So let's go to bookmarks. Selection is there. So let me group first all the cards, making it as one group. Show, update it. Let's add hide, update it. So as you can see, so now let's make it happen through the button feature. Cross, we're gonna bookmark hide. So we're gonna, whenever I'm gonna click on control plus click, it's gonna hide away. But we also need to activate the green button. So for this, let's go to bookmark. Let's go to show. So now whenever I'm gonna click on green tick, it's showing and cross going away. Green tick showing, cross going away. So this is a very basic thing which I've added into this dashboard. Okay, so you can change things according to your own liking. So let's see again, control plus cross, control plus green, cross, green, cross, green. So that's it for today. See you in the next tutorial.